Happy Friday. So, today we're going to talk about Excel files, okay? Excel files that you upload into SPSS and how they should look versus how they look when they come out of these data collection tools. So, a lot of times when I get a file, the data collection tool exports these funny looking spreadsheets, and the spreadsheets are not cleaned up because the tool that you collected it with just doesn't do that. It assumes you want all of this garbage. Okay? So what you have to do is, if you look at this example, I'll tell you what's wrong with this example. Clearly, the data starts at row 4, okay, it ends at row 9, right? And then your ID, weight, and age are your variables, okay? So what you want to do is eliminate anything that's not data. Some people, they put notes in their spreadsheet. Some people put, whatever they put in there, okay? You have to get rid of anything that's not data, okay? Because what SPSS will do, it automatically will assign a format that's either numeric or string for each column of your data. So you want to make sure that your columns are clean. You only have one row that represents the variable names, and the rest of this stuff, just get rid of it. And what I do also recommend is that you have 2 copies of the file. You have one copy that's going to be used for analysis, and the other copy is coming straight out of your data collection tool. That way, if you make any mistakes when you clean up the file, you can always revert back to your original data collection, straight from data collection tool version, okay? And just to tell you what's wrong with this file, see the first 2 columns? The first 2 columns, you have all this verbiage in it. So you would delete first 2 columns, first 2 rows. You would delete the first 2 rows, and then I would get rid of any, people tend to do, and I've seen this a couple of times, they'll put notes and stuff in the spreadsheet. Get rid of those things. Anything personal, people like to jot things down in the spreadsheet. I would get rid of that so that you have a nice clean file that you can upload, and then you won't have any issues in SPSS. So this is just a quick tutorial. Have a lovely day.